हाय 14th दादा साहेब फाल्के फिल्म फेस्टिवल 24 मैं शिवाजी साटम। दोस्तों वेब सीरीज पिंग पोंग में मैंने मास्टर जेन का किरदार निभाया है और सच कहूं ये वेब सीरीज पूरे यंगस्टर्स ने बनाई है। जी हाँ, और उनके साथ काम करते वक्त आई रियली एंजॉयड माई सेल्फ, बहुत मजा आया।
So basically, it all started when I was in college. I think me and my friends, we were sitting in the basement, just hanging out, chilling, and we wanted to go play table tennis. But what happened was the club was closed. We couldn't do so. Me and my friends started thinking, what if, the paddles started playing with themselves and they just started using their forehead to play with the table tennis balls. And that's how like the whole idea started of anthropomorphizing the actual paddles, the actual rackets, into characters. One of the most unique parts about the whole animation is that it's not meant for children. I think it was meant for adults because it's not it's not easy.
Yeah, I remember a script 10 drafts. I mean,
भाई 10 ड्राफ्ट हो गया था पूरा, लिटरली 10 ड्राफ्ट हो गया था. एंड तभी लॉकडाउन भी चालू था ना आशीष, लॉकडाउन चालू था एंड इट वाज
because we are also like thinking कि क्या करना है, 2D में करना है कि 3D में करना है.
Guys, I think there was no road, only blocks.
That's true. I think we had a lot of people working from outside of India. There are people in Serbia, there are people in the Philippines, there are people in the US.
Because of this idea, we have saved so much of time.
This was like the runtime of the whole series was 220 minutes. And usually ऐसा जब भी कोई series निकालता है, so there's usually 500-600 people working on a pure animation, right?
Yes.
And we did the entire thing in 20 people.
Yes.
20 people in 3 years.
Yeah.
I'm an offshore animator from the Philippines, and one of the biggest challenges in working for an Indian studio is the language barriers, the differences in workplace cultures, and the differences in artistic vision. Although it is challenging, in the end it proved that our strength in differences and our strength in diversity prevailed.
Ping Pong is based on Mumbai, so पूरा जो background था हम लोग बनाना था Mumbai style में. Also a big task for background team, design team. Thanks to them.
Recording part, how can we forget?
The recording was something.
We have hired voiceover artists from all over the India.
Our music जो composers थे, people like over here only, Blue Cassette Studios, shout out to like Jimmy and Ashish.
And the second task was like once you done the English whole dialogues, उसको convert करना था हिंदी dialogues में.
Yes.
इंग्लिश और हिंदी मैच नहीं होता है, सो वी हैव टू मैच द हिंदी डायलॉग विद द इंग्लिश वन, पैच करना था. सो अगेन थैंक्स टू ब्लू कैसेट स्टूडियो एंड वॉइस ओवर आर्टिस्ट.
और हम लोग ये कैसे भूल सकते हैं गाइस, रोटो पेंटिंग, क्लीन अप वर्क. Clean up work was something which was beautiful. I still have tears in my eyes when I remember those days.
I used to add nightmare of paint and roto wala.
Animation for adults, literally ऐसी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो आपको नॉर्मल एनिमेशन में नहीं दिखेगा इंडिया में. इट्स वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट एनिमेशंस दैट इज़ मेड फॉर यंगस्टर्स and based in Mumbai. So it is something that you will never ever see. That's I think one of the biggest USPs about this film is you see drama, you see relationships, you see fights, गालियाँ सुनने मिलती है. Imagine ping pong rackets गालियाँ बोल रही है एक दूसरे को. So imagine that.
Hello. Now that you know the story about ping pong and the vision that went behind, the biggest question for us was that where are we releasing it? And it had to be an OTT platform. But the journey for us as a new production house wasn't that easy. Right from pitching, right from getting all the list of all the distributors, calling them, telling them about the USP, the biggest challenge was for us the animation treatment being, but the story had it all. And we are here, and we extremely proud moment for all of us that it got released on a platform named MX Player, and still the pitch continues.
It was super fun and it was the big milestone for us. OTT पे हम लोगों को चांस मिला, so we were so glad and we celebrated it. Yes. I'm sure you'll forgot कि एक पॉइंट पे जाके आप भूल जाओगे कि ये पेडल्स है. you'll started relating कि यार ये बहुत relatable content है. At the same time आपको बहुत मज़ा आएगा. आप must watch.
So I think one of the things about this film, it is about a protagonist who is already a superstar, but it is not about becoming a star, you know. It is about how you maintain that. So that doing business with friends is something which is not that easy at all. So that is something, it is a very, because एक blur line आ जाता है दोस्ती and काम के बीच में. That is something we definitely touched upon. And अगर romance अंदर घुसा दोगे तो बस हो गया फिर. So that's what we did literally.
Yeah, you can, like, if you have small team, you can also do like 200 minutes का duration का film.
Yes.
वहाँ पे demotivation नहीं आना चाहिए कि हाँ small team है तो नहीं होगा.
Nothing is impossible.
Keep trying, don't lose your hope. And we are Indians, जुगाड़ अपने अंदर है, so हर प्रॉब्लम में जुगाड़ ढूंढते रहो.
Right. Never give up.
The first scene, like, वो हमारे लिए एक ट्रिगर था मीन्स कि नहीं पूरा फिल्म फिनिश करना है.
Yes. वो एक इंस्पिरेशन मोटिवेशन मिला हम लोग को देख के वो चीज़. फर्स्ट हम लोग ने जब कंपोजिट करके फर्स्ट शॉट जब हम लोग ने रेडी किया था, सो आफ्टर दैट तो शेर के मुंह को खून लग गया. वो वाला हो गया.
After that it was just straight.
रेस्ट इज हिस्ट्री एक्चुअली. ये इम्पॉसिबल टास्क थैंक्स टू जीजो, विदाउट योर गाइडेंस हाँ नहीं होता ये एक्चुअली.
Yeah.
तो थैंक यू वेरी मच दादा साहेब फाल्के फिल्म फेस्टिवल फॉर गिविंग दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी. Thank you very much, and I wish you all the best and wish everyone all the best. Thank you.